information and guidance, legal guidance from our city attorney. I respect Mr. Barlow in his capacity. It doesn't mean I'm obligated to agree. I'm not an attorney, but I have some thinking too. And what I've received, I respectfully did not agree. I brought up, and I did it according to the Mayor Brick's advisory. I informed him first and foremost. I informed the city manager well ahead of time. I didn't surprise it on anybody. Apparently, it's been discounted. I do not think that the ADA is to be ignored. I think that it does apply here. And tonight again, if I'm right, I believe the city potentially is in a bad situation with these comments. Because if I'm right, and if this particular problem is a result of someone who is impaired and protected, we're in some trouble, I think. And that's one item that I'm concerned about. And another item, Mr. Barlow eloquently a few minutes ago spoke about fairness. I agree with him. I would not continue sitting here if I didn't think that the public was being entitled to fairness. And I've seen it. I haven't always agreed with what has happened, but I've seen we've always tried to be fair. In this instance, when we refuse, particularly even now, to release a confidential memo, which resulted in opinions being changed of voting members of the council, that was not fair, in my opinion. In Sacramento, if you look at the Sacramento, our state capital, their city council procedures for boards and commissions, anyone who's removed is given an opportunity to see all charges against them and an opportunity in a hearing to respond. I had it to bring one paper I didn't have with me. And another point, and that'll be probably the final point, is the importance of our police commission. And I think we have several police commissioners here, if not all of them. We do. Actually, one's missing. The police commissions, all of them, whether I supported them or not, doesn't matter. They have a very important role to fill, especially now. Whenever our institutions, whether it's state, local, federal, whenever our institutions are called into question, we have to step up to the plate. Our conduct, our behavior, our following of the law is beyond reproach. I'm sorry, again, I don't mean to pick on you, Mr. Barlow, but earlier you said that with respect to our municipal code, which says it shall be elected, well, it doesn't always happen that way. If someone's walking outside City Hall this evening, smoking a cigarette, they stand to be arrested, fined, and go before a judge. I don't think they could say reasonably to a police officer, well, in this case it didn't apply. Maybe it's apples and oranges, I don't know. We have to follow these rules or we have to change them, and we have that ability as a council. But I'm talking about what the police commission represents. I disagree with the assertion, and I believe we got an email today by from one of the commissioners to that effect, that the job of the police commissioner is to convey information from the police department to the council. That might be part of it. I think the real job of the police commission is to be a firewall, if you will, for people in the community, citizens, public, who have concerns. It shouldn't be done cloistered. The police commission should be a very public organization. They should welcome members of the public. They should accept criticism. And just like we do here, whether it's a cat that's missing or anything else, or whatever the issue is, we try to make it right. That's the role the police commission in Burbank, I believe, should do. Bring the matter to the police if it's something the police can correct. Bring it to the council. Serve as an intermediary. Reach out to the public and make them feel confident in their institutions. Sadly, doing what you're doing tonight, and potentially doing tonight, I can't agree with, will not support. I believe there will be significant rifts in this community, and I think it's a serious mistake, and I sincerely hope it does not expose us to litigation, further litigation. Thank you.